So, ayan yung SM sa tapat. Tapos, eto siya. Dito tayo magla-lunch ha. Port Ebel Tinola. Ayan. Dito tayo. Come on, let's go. So, ito na yung kanilang famous na tinola na barakuda. Tapos, seaweeds. Yung tinola nga pala, 120 per order. Tapos, yung seaweeds, 50 pesos. Tapos, ito yung grilled tuna, 300 pesos. Then, of course, yung rice, hindi ko alam. Siguro mga 10 or 20 pesos yan. Yan. Tapos si Papa nando doon, bumibili lang siya ng drinks namin. Okay? Gawa si Gab ng
sino?
Yan. Ano, hiwain mo Gab?
Isa pa po?
Oo. Right. First bite. Ang lambot nung nung fish. Sarap, mamiti. Yung lasa niya parang kusido. Kasi Bicolana ako eh. Yun yung style ng cooking. Ito tayo sa Yap San Diego Ancestral House. Okay. Pasok na tayo.
450 sir.
Wow. Balik ka dito.
Saksong taon yan, hindi mo bubulok. You see there? You join. We will be having a brief orientation. Turn on and welcome to Yap San Diego Ancestral House. So this was built nga pala noong 1675. 350 years old. And now considered as one of the oldest houses in the Philippines. So possibly oldest Chinese house outside of China, then incorporated in a book entitled Chinese Houses of Southeast Asia. So original owner, Chinese merchants, Yap na pamilya. A later generation married the Philippine family sa San Diego. Kaya pinibahay ng Yap San Diego Ancestral House. They're recognized by the Department of Tourism. So structure of the house, it's still 90% original. Wow. All of these artifacts, collections, dated way back 16th century down to 1940s. And they owned by different generations of family. Yung mga collections ha. So the wedding photo, family portrait, couple frames, they're now the present owner, 11th generation. Wow. They will be here Saturday and Sunday night because they still sleep here every weekend. Yes, ma'am. So they're gonna be here tonight. This is Saturday. Yeah, the main reason is they don't want the house to be totally abandoned. This is a private museum, so there's no restrictions about taking photo, video, sitting, touching. It's okay. Be careful not to break anything, right? It's not here, the back, garden upstairs, so feel free to relax. Thank you.
Thank you. Saan? Mga diorama. Ayan yung ano, Magellan. So, ang ganda. Oo. Galing. Ayan ang ating ano, paminggalan. Kaya nga I was wondering. Dyan sila natutulog. Diba? Talagang ganchilyo. Ayan, may-ari.
Sige, video po.
Bakit tayo?
Wait, video pa, di ba?
5:30.